In this video, I'll show you how to fix an Android phone that won't turn on. First, connect your phone to a charger and leave it charging for at least 30 minutes. If possible, try a different charging cable, adapter, or power outlet to rule out charging issues. Next, check the charging port for any dust or debris and clean it carefully if needed. If your phone supports wireless charging, try that as well. Once the phone has had enough time to charge, perform a force restart. Press and hold the power button and volume down button together for 20 to 30 seconds until the phone's logo appears. If that doesn't work, try holding the power button and volume up button for 20 to 30 seconds instead, as some Android models use a different button combination. A force restart won't delete any of your data and can often fix a phone that is frozen or unresponsive. If your phone still won't turn on, there may be a hardware problem that requires professional repair. And that's how to fix an Android phone that won't turn on. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.